हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम एंटिटी टाइप, एंटिटी सेट, कीज एंड वैल्यू सेट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। एंटिटी टाइप और एंटिटी सेट एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया है जो कि हम ईआर मॉडल में यूज करते हैं। एंटिटी टाइप वो सभी एंटिटी का कलेक्शन है जिन्हें हम सेम एट्रीब्यूट्स के थ्रू रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। एंटिटी सेट is the collection of all the possible entities at a given particular instance of time in a database that have the same entity type that share the same set of attribute. So entity type is, as we can say, student is an entity type which will be represented in ER model in a rectangular box. Now all the attributes related to the student entity type will be defined in oval circles which will be surrounded by these entity type. Age, name, class, roll number. These are all the attributes of entity type student. So all the student will be belonging to this particular entity type. Now what is entity set? At a given instance of time in the database, collection of all the students will be called as entity set. So entity type and entity set. Here entity type is student and entity set is collection of all the student at a given particular instance of time. Now we will understand the concept of entity type and entity set with respect to the diagram which is visible on the screen. जैसे हमें इस डायग्राम में दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे एक कार एंटिटी टाइप है और उसके सारे एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं. दिस कलेक्शन इज पर्टिकुलरली known as entity set. So car is an entity type and the collection of all the cars which are denoted by the attribute values for a particular car, these collection at a given instance of time, they will be forming entity set. Now what are key and value set? So key attributes are those attributes which will uniquely identify the entity from this entity set. जैसे अगर हम इस entity set की बात करें तो यहाँ पे roll number is that particular attribute that will uniquely identify a student from the student entity set. So all the possible attributes which can uniquely identify the entity from the entity set, they are called key attribute. Now what is value set? Value set are all the possible values a particular attribute can take. Value set is the domain or the range of that particular attribute. For example, let's assume name of the student. Now name of the student can be all the possible string values. So the value set associated with name attribute can be all the possible string objects. Now suppose class. Assume class attribute. Then all the possible values this particular attribute class can take, that will define the value set of the attribute class.